Hello, today we're going to go over how to make an Energy Peak playlist. You'll essentially click on any video in here. I'm just going to go into webinars and click random video. You have to enroll. Anyone who needs to watch the playlist has to enroll in it as well. So essentially you'll go up to the three dots on the right, add to playlist. You can select an existing or create new. If you want to create new, you'll have to fill all of these in, title, description. In order for anyone to see it, it has to be made public, but you can start as private and just start to add videos and then make it public. And then you'll want to add it to the Schlegel Design Build channel. Now I just kind of want to go back in here and show you, scrolling all the way down to the Schlegel Design channel. This is a playlist I had made before. So essentially people will see this and you can click this down arrow and here are all your videos. You can invite people to watch or you can edit it and you can move things around. You can add to the course by clicking this button. You can delete the playlist over here. But again, it has to be published in order for people to see it. And then if you want to manage a playlist, you can go back in and click the down arrow for manage, and you can look at reports of the progress people have made, if they started it or not. You unfortunately can't delete people from the playlist, but you can suspend them. You can also add people through enrollments, new or assign, manage enrollments. And that is it for Peak Playlist. So good luck and thank you so much.